today, I'm going to put the apron on. The Optimum Nutrition team want me to cook my favourite dessert. I'm going to be making protein pancakes using my favourite flavour of the Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey. I like making protein pancakes. They're a healthy alternative and have the taste of a cheat meal. I'm going to add 1 scoop of vanilla flavoured whey and then add a few of my favourite garnishes. Just going to chuck the butter in first into the pan. Now I'm going to get the mix. Pour the pancake mix in to the size that I need. So whenever I fancy a little snack, a little pancake, I like to use this option, approximately 180 calories each, and have roughly 20 grams of protein in them. So this will only take a minute or so each side, but now the pressure's on with the flipping technique. Right, so this is the last one. Just gonna go on top, like that. And finally add the last layer of cream. Favourite bit with Nutella. It's dead easy to make this dish, but it's seriously tasty. And it's got a lot of the key nutrients that I'm looking for. You chuck on a handful of berries. There you have it. Protein pancakes. Job done. The Optimum Nutrition Protein Pancakes competition is now live, with the winner being announced on the 2nd of September. Get this recipe from the link below and win a signed England shirt by me and a year's supply of Optimum Nutrition's Gold Standard whey.